everyone, and welcome to the Bryan Fagan YouTube channel. I'm Carrie, and today's video is for anyone who's been through an abusive marriage and now is wondering what their prenuptial agreement really means, right? If you're ready to file for divorce, but you signed a prenup years ago, right? Should you accept the terms or should you fight back? So let's take a deeper look in that today. So when someone's in an abusive marriage, they often feel trapped financially, emotionally, and also legally. If a prenup is hanging over your head, you might worry that you'll leave the marriage without anything at all. But here's the truth. Texas courts will only enforce a prenup if it was entered into voluntarily, with full disclosure, and without coercion. If abuse occurred during the marriage, that history can be influenced on how the court views the fairness of it while enforcing the prenup. For example, if your spouse used financial threats, withheld access to your accounts, or isolated you from your attorney during the prenup signing, the judge actually might find that the agreement was fundamentally unfair or even invalid. The courts may also modify or disregard parts of the prenup if they're deemed unconscionable. This means they're so one-sided that enforcing them would be an unjust enrichment. Abuse can tip the scales by showing how power imbalances warp around the marriage, right? Especially if the prenup waives alimony or awards all property to the abuser, the court may intervene, and usually times they will. And in my cases that I've done, they always intervene. So before filing a divorce, consult with an attorney, can review your prenup and evaluate its enforceability or draft one up for you. You might be surprised at how much leverage you still have. Texas law is designed to prevent unjust outcomes, even in cases where contracts were signed at the start of the marriage. So at the law office of Bryan Fagan, we're here to help clients review, challenge, and renegotiate prenups after surviving abusive relationships. Don't assume that the prenup is set in stone. It's not. Schedule a free, confidential consultation today and let us advocate for your future, and we'll see you in the next video.
Thanks for tuning in to the end. We understand that divorce can be expensive depending on the situation. That's why we're offering our Do-It-Yourself Texas Divorce e-course. You can get access to this e-course by clicking on the link in the description below. Catch you in the next video.